Hey, greetings from Texas. So I'm going to show you where we are this week. We've got about 90% of our personal belongings cleaned. Sabrina's working on the couch. It's a microfiber couch, so we're gonna be able to machine wash those. And for the rest of the couch, I have an upholstery cleaner that I bought. So where we are today is I'm starting redoing the electrical. And I have a little bit of minor plumbing to do, and then we start the sheetrock process, which will start next week. Today I'm doing a second treatment of the air conditioning and heating ducts. We did one treatment and it seemed to work really well. So just for insurance, I'm going to run it one more time. So that's what I'm going to show you here. All right, so the Fire Restoration Service did their cleanup. This is going to get repainted. There's going to be a coating put over that before special paint, but I already treated the air conditioning system once, and we can't smell any smoke in here, but I'm going to do it again. Now this is a vaporizer fogger, and we just spray that into the system. So we've already done one treatment. We're gonna do another one. I ordered this stuff. This was recommended. This is what my air conditioning guy uses, and he let me use that machine. So I got this on another bottle on Amazon, and we're gonna do a second treatment. So that's what I'm gonna show you here. Okay, we're gonna put our BioFresh here. Okay, it's pretty simple. We're going to turn this on. There's a adjustment here, and we're going to adjust this until we get a fine mist. Okay, and we're going to run the air conditioner until we use up all that rest of that BioFresh. So I'm going to be replacing this. This is a 3-gang. There were 3 switches here. One for a ceiling fan, which went up there, and a light. And this one for the main kitchen light, which is up here. So this is going to get replaced with just 2 switches, and replace this receptacle. Otherwise, I'm going to replace this piece of Romex here, this wire. So replacing that one wire, the receptacle, and the switch box. And then for the new refrigerator, because I disconnected the old ice machine years ago, I'm going to tap in to the water line and put a new box for the refrigerator ice machine. Okay, well, things are moving along. We're still living in the garage, but that's where we are. Once we get all this stuff, I bartered with a gentleman he wants to buy one of my trailers, and so we're going to barter that. He's going to give me some cash and haul off all the junk that we have. So anyway, that's where we're at this point. I appreciate you watching. I'll be back on YouTube soon. It's actually kind of good to take a break. So I've watched a lot of your videos, especially if you subscribe to my channel. I may have not left a comment, but I try to watch them in the evening when things slow down, and I at least leave a thumbs up. Appreciate you stopping by. Thanks for watching.